Hey folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach, and today I'm standing on the all-new 2026 Grady-White 281 Coastal Explorer. I'm actually standing on the pneumatic beach door that comes with the Grady-White 281. It's a great option. It's controlled over here with a side panel with just a simple button switch that raises this door up. Gives you great access to either this side of the boat or to if you're out swimming off the boat. This boat comes equipped with twin 300 Yamaha motors. As you move back in this back section, you're going to see it has great live well storage here or a cooler. You have another live well based over here. Then as we move up into the helm area, you're going to see great alignment of all your electronics. You have two twin 12-inch Garmins here, your switch panel right below that. Of course, you have your Helmex joystick, which gives you great maneuverability in close call spaces, as well as your autopilot controls here. Come on around here and let's take a look how large this headspace is on this great boat. So as I'm moving down on the head, you're going to notice a tremendous amount of headroom. I'm 5'10" and a half, so I can stand up fully without having to bend my head down. It's got a nice marine head down below here, and you have room for storage with items. Then we'll move up here to the bow. And the first thing you're going to notice is great seating arrangement here. Whether you're out fishing or just cruising with family and friends, you have a great fish box or cooler that's tapped overboard. Keep things nice ice cold and insulated. And of course, up here at the bow, you have a nice either sun pad or walking surface for fishing. Backrests are controlled by pneumatic buttons on either side. Of course, this boat comes with a windlass as well as pre-wired for a trolling motor as well. It's a wonderful boat for either inshore fishing or offshore. Has great capabilities. Come on by MarineMax when you get a chance. We'd love to show you this boat real soon. Thank you so much. Look forward to getting you on the water.